In this video, we will discuss the basic concepts of voltage sources. Let us start with the voltage source. First, we understand the ideal voltage source. Then we move to the practical voltage source. An ideal voltage source delivers a constant voltage, regardless of the load connected to it. This means no matter what circuit or load we connect, the source always provides the same fixed terminal voltage. Imagine a voltage source connected to a simple resistor. If we slowly increase the resistance, the current will change, but the terminal voltage of the source will remain constant. So, an ideal voltage source provides constant voltage, independent of the current drawn by the circuit. Now let us look at the VI characteristics of an ideal voltage source. On the graph, the horizontal axis represents current, and the vertical axis represents voltage. At no load condition, the terminal voltage equals the source voltage, Vs. When we connect the load and reduce the resistance, the current increases. However, the voltage remains equal to Vs. This produces a straight horizontal line parallel to the current axis. It shows that the voltage stays constant for any value of current. Now let us talk about a practical voltage source. In real life, every electrical device has some internal resistance. A voltage source also has internal resistance connected in series with it. When load current increases, a voltage drop occurs across this internal resistance. This voltage drop increases linearly with current. As a result, the terminal voltage becomes slightly lower than the source voltage. We can write the equation as VL equals Vs minus IL multiplied by R internal. So the key difference is simple. An ideal voltage source has zero internal resistance. A practical voltage source has small internal resistance. Now let us classify voltage sources. There are two main types. First, the DC voltage source. It is a time-invariant source. Its voltage does not change with time. A battery is a good example. Second, the AC voltage source. It is a time-varying source. Its voltage changes with time. The waveform can be sinusoidal, triangular, or square. We usually denote constant voltage with a capital V and time-varying voltage with a small v as a function of time, V of t. And that is the basic idea of voltage sources.